Okay, here's a look at the market for Thursday, November the 4th, 2010. What we're looking at here, of course, are the market profiles. This was the dip yesterday after the FOMC news was released, and this is where the market closed. You can see overnight it just hovered in here right near the top of that range and then started to burst higher. And opened here in the regular trading hours and did the exact same thing again. So quite a good move down here from 1179 and change all the way up to 1218. So that's almost 30 points. So a very, very healthy move since the FOMC news was released. So we're obviously still in the up mode and looking at initial support in around the 1215 to 1216 area, and then after that possibly down in around 1212, so 1213. So the market is obviously very bullish. It went through the 1205, one price that we were looking at as our next objective. And actually the next one after that was 16, and we've gone through that too, so it's actually closed above that. So beyond that, there's not a real lot of evidence of where the market may actually top out. So just want to stay on the bullish side, obviously. Here are the market profiles of the regular trading hours only, and you can see here how on the where this is where the market dipped to on the news, closed here and had the gap opening here, and then of course a very powerful close as well near the high. So the bullish mode keeps intact here. So as far as our trades were concerned today, you can see that we were, as the market was sort of going sideways here, we did have a few short trades, obviously not all of them taken, but we did have some set up. We had a series of long trades here. First one, well, let me just move that over here a little bit so you can see it better. Sorry. You can see here that we've got, let's see. Okay, here are the long trades. We had an early one here, another one here, another one here, and then late in the day we had a really nice one. So all of these long trades were taken. First one worked out well, easily reaching our first two objectives before it dipped down to here. This one kind of went sideways, so basically a scratch on that one. And then the market came up here. We actually had two entries. The lower one was okay. The upper one actually did get stopped as it came down into the support area here. Now these short trades that we had in here, even though they had the filter going with it, we were obviously in a very bullish environment. We had no real barrier up at the top. Even though the 16 area was the next target, it was not a strong barrier. It was way too long ago. You're talking back in April, and this is November, so what's that, 7 months ago? So, you know, that's a little too far away. And so as a result, we only wanted to take these, here's the other one here, we only wanted to take the trade that was with the filter and with a known daytime frame structure, i.e. the high of the day. And so as it turned out, the only one that we did take was this one here. This one worked out well, but we did not take it because actually by the time it was triggered, we had turned into the green filter. And neither one of these trades were actually high enough that would allow us to place our stop above the high of the day. Only this trade right here allowed us to do that. So we had 1, 2, 3. This was the fourth trade, and then this one was not taken, and then this one here was taken. This one just turned out beautifully. You can see our up arrow was right here, and up blue arrow there. This is our entry price right here. You can see the market just pulled back down to it, only took it out by a tick, and then had a nice move higher here. So worked out to be a really nice way to finish the day with a nice 3.5 point move. So, you know, the market is obviously continuing to move higher. We don't really have any known resistance areas. We're looking more or less at either around 1212, 1215, and 16 as support. So that's really how we're looking at the market right now. So thanks for taking the time to view the video. And any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. We always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. Thanks, and we'll see you again tomorrow.